across the road very slowly. हम लोग यहाँ रुके हुए हैं, देखिए इसके ऊपर जो है lining spots है. There is one more there inside. Yeah. And this one is joining them. He's already gone now. Not very clearly because of the vegetation, but this is where the whole dam water comes down, what we saw from the other side. So yeah, this is where, yeah, that's the best look you can get. We are going into Balule here. So मैंने private BEM drive book किए हैं. Oh, so this is how you go inside. Oh, that is nice. तो यहाँ पर ये जो है ये अलग गेम रिजर्व है. काफ़ी बड़ा गेम रिजर्व है यहाँ पर. This is really big game reserves. So there are high chances of seeing big five, ना? तो यहाँ पर गेट पर ये पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखते हैं. आप कितने दिन के लिए आ रहे हो, क्या है गाड़ी का नंबर और कैसे कहाँ रहोगे, वो सभी चीज़ें. तो ये पूरा जानकारी लिख रहे हैं यहाँ पर. और आपको 300 रैंड्स एक बंदे के देने होते हैं और 200 रैंड गाड़ी के देने होते हैं. पूरा ये साइन वगैरह सब ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. तो हर जगह सारी चीज़ें ना बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. द मैप फॉर द Isambani camp. That's where I'm staying. So that's where we are going. It's how many kilometers from here? 11 kilometers.
11 kilometers.
Oh wow, that is far. It'll take us 35 more minutes. Oh wow. There are many camps here, Balule. So देखिए रास्ता काफ़ी टेढ़ा मेढ़ा और बम्पी है. एंड ये जो है एक प्राइवेट रिजॉर्ट है जहाँ पर मैं रुकी हुई हूँ. चली जाएगी इस रास्ते पे. ये लग चुकी है हम लोगों को. बहुत दूर है अभी और रास्ता एकदम ऐसा है 10-20 माइल पर आवर से ज़्यादा जा भी नहीं सकते. So हम लोग आई थिंक क्लोज आ गए हैं सांबानी कैंप के. सो कहीं नामो निशान तो नहीं दिख रहा है अभी. हो सकता है आसपास ही हो. मेरी कमर चली गई है इस रोड पे इतनी देर पे. लास्ट हम लोग आ गए हैं सांबानी यहाँ पर जो बुश कैंप में. तो होपफुली अच्छा होगा. अंदर देखकर पता चलता है. और वाकई में बुश दिख रहा है यहाँ पे और कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ पे ड्राइव डाउन टू रिसेप्शन फॉर चेक इन. तो we have to go down to check in there. Yeah. Surprisingly, जंगल में मंगल कई लोग देंगे. और ये जो बुक किया है वो मैंने इस टूर जो मेरा फुल जो एक कस्टमाइज टूर लिया था प्राइवेट उसके हिसाब से बुक है. सो इट्स पार्ट ऑफ दैट. आई आस्क्ड देम टू हैव अ प्राइवेट. And here we are. And we see two people standing there and maybe welcoming us, right?
Yeah.
Shayna.
Nice meeting you, Shana. Ben, nice meeting you. And
Are we being
just
recorded?
big recording. You're being recorded. Yeah, because I have a YouTube blog, Yog Mike Yatra, so that's why we are just recording. And Vincent always volunteers.
How is the drive-in?
Oh, it was something, you know. It took 11 kilometers, just this much.
Yeah.
Other than that, everything was fine. But just this was
Yeah.
I could tell that, you drove 11 kilometers in the bush.
That's very rocky around this area.
Very rocky, yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, but it's really nice. I'm happy to be here and hopefully we'll see something.
We're happy to have you.
Yeah. So this is the reception area.
Reception's inside, so
Oh.
we'll head there now. We're going to get you checked in, so Ben will take your luggage through to the room. You don't have to worry about that. I just need your passport, and then
Yeah.
we'll head over.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you. Bye, Sylvester. Thanks. Thank you for all the video making. Welcome orange juice,
Yeah.
right? So it has orange and
It's raspberry and a little bit of vodka.
awesome.
Splash
Perfect.
of
Thank you.
vodka.
Thank you. So I am the only one? Oh wow. So this is my private safari, and when I say private, which means just private, so no one else is here in the camp, so I am the only one who's here. And we'll be having the game drive as well, right, today?
Yeah.
Second. Oh, awesome. This is so nice. Okay, so you don't have any fence, so any animal can come, you're saying? Lion,
Just always be careful.
lion,
And
leopard.
then after dark, please always walk around with the torch.
Okay.
Okay. And once again, just be aware of your surroundings.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then this is just your itinerary, which
Mm-hmm.
gives you an idea of what time we meet for meals and
Ah,
game
okay.
drives. So like I said, lunch will be at 2:30 now,
Yeah.
and then your game drive leaves at 3:30.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. 3:30. Okay.
Yeah, and then there's also
And how long is the game drive?
approximately 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And then you have a pair of binoculars to use for your stay as well.
Okay.
Okay, awesome.
Thank you.
Let me show you around the camp.
That would be wonderful. Thank
Take
you.
to your room. If you want to bring your drink with,
Yes, please. Yeah. That would. Oh, so but the bathroom would be inside the camp as well, right?
yeah, you've got one, you've got your own one. This is just.
This is just for the. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
There's also fresh water, so please help yourself at
Mhm.
any stage if you need.
Yeah.
There's also books in the bookcase, so if
Mhm.
you want to relax and go through a book, you're welcome to.
That's
This
nice.
is Ndivu. She is our assistant.
Hi,
chef.
Devu.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Good,
You're
nice.
gonna enjoy to be with us.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it. And I heard that you cook really good, delicious meal. So I'm looking forward to
You're
it.
gonna enjoy.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks.
So our bar area.
Is a bar area, is it?
Your stay. So
Ah, okay.
if you like a drink, just ask. We'll grab it for you.
Okay.
This is
And
where
this is where you would sit. Oh, oh.
This is where you'll be having lunch.
Mhm.
Views over the waterhole. We do ask guests, please don't leave the decking area. That's the boundary.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So that's the water hole.
Yeah.
And here is this nice pool. Mm-hmm.
So we also just ask guests.
Jacuzzi. Yeah.
We had an elephant drinking out of it earlier today. So
Oh.
if they do come across from the waterhole to
Yeah.
the swimming pool,
Mm-hmm.
please don't interact with them. Don't reach out to touch them. You're welcome to stay down here if you're
Yeah.
comfortable. We don't have any negative interactions with them. But we're always around to keep an eye on what's going on as well.
And since I'm alone here, your all attention is on me. So.
Yes. So we have another bathroom here as well.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
This is also our dining area. So if for any reason the weather's miserable, then
You
you'll
sit
have dinner
inside
here,
and
yeah.
eat. Okay.
But we'll keep you updated.
Mm-hmm.
Tea and coffee station.
Mm-hmm.
Please help yourself. This is
Do you have decaf?
yeah, this is decaf. Yeah.
Okay, I was going to ask. Okay,
Okay,
thank
wait,
you.
you
It's good. God, I'm looking forward to my few days here. Oh,
It's gonna be amazing.
it's going to be amazing.
So our water is also safe to drink from the taps.
Okay.
But we do have a osmosis filtration system.
I would rather have that just
Yeah.
for because I'm not 100% sure yet,
Yeah.
and I will be here for 16 days, so I just want to make sure that.
No, 100%.
I know.
So we keep bottles of it.
And what are these here?
Those are the classic tents.
So these are the classic tents if someone wants to just experience the camping kind of here, glamping, right?
Yeah,
You know. Mhm.
glamping, yeah. So this is yours.
So this is my tent.
Take you down here first.
So this is the bathroom. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Beautiful.
Perfect. Your light switches over here as well.
Okay.
So we do run on solar power. So we just
Yes, and I saw the solar panel, so I realized that it must be having. Okay, so the night time it'll be nice for me to come out for the bathroom. Yeah, it'll be interesting. Okay.
be fine. We're gonna go in this way.
Oh, which way?
Side, yeah.
Okay, so this is a really tent. This is a nice foyer, and my bags are here.
Welcome. I must just apologize. We do have a tea in the tent, but we are waiting for the patch to fix it.
Oh,
but
okay.
nothing can get in. Nothing
Ah,
can
yeah,
get out.
exactly. Nothing can get in from there.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, so
you
this
have
is.
a flag point over here for you to use. Also a tea and coffee station.
Okay.
I will ask the housekeeper just to change this
The
one. to
decaf, please. Thank you.
Perfect.
Yep.
And then water over here.
Okay, and the beautiful bed here.
Grab your wires fallen.
Oh my God, sorry. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. And
Oh,
this
this is my room.
so you got a light
It's
switch over
beautiful.
here.
Let me reduce so you can see more. Oh wow.
The
So the light
switch
switch is there.
Yeah.
Yep.
Put this over here. You've got an air horn once again.
Oh, okay.
If you
Yes.
feel like the animals are too close, you're uncomfortable about anything, you
Just
can
to-
use that. It lets us know that there's an emergency.
Okay.
And it will chase the animals away.
हम लोग बात कर ही रहे थे तभी वाटर होल पे एक हाथी दिखाई दिया हम लोगों को तो हम देखते हैं सो अभी हमारे कैंप की तरफ बढ़ रहा है हेलो सर दिस इज योर लैंड आई एम जस्ट विजिटिंग दो हाथी हैं और जैसा कि बताया इन लोगों ने कि कोई फैंस नहीं है तो देखिए ये जहाँ पर जो रिसेप्शन एरिया है वहाँ पर ये हाथी चल के आ रहा है और हम लोग सब दूर खड़े होकर देख रहे हैं वाओ इट इज़ समथिंग टू सी ए जंगली एलिफेंट द वाइल्ड एलिफेंट कमिंग और देखिए अब ये सीधे बिल्कुल मेरे सामने खड़ा है और अब देखिए और पास आ गया है ये एंड बिल्कुल सामने खड़ा है एंड ही इज़ कम्प्लीटली वाइल्ड तो हम लोगों को काफ़ी केयरफुल रहना है क्योंकि कभी भी दे आर अनप्रेडिक्टेबल बट दिस इज़ सररियल वाओ Wow. So I'm here and a wild elephant decided to come and visit us, greet us here in the bush camp. Isambane. How do you pronounce it? Isambane. Isambane. Beautiful. Elephant चला गया है और अब हम लोगों को गेम ड्राइव के लिए जाना है. My ride. It looks beautiful and then I have steps too because everyone knows that I'm not that tall so where do you think I should sit?
Perfect. Well, it really depends on the back is more bumpy, but you have a better vision of everything.
Okay, so
But
here
yeah, I would say always the middle.
middle is good. Okay. Really beautiful bird here. What's the name of this?
So that's a southern yellow-billed hornbill.
Oh, okay, so southern yellow-belled hornbill. My apologies for the interruption.
No, go for it.
She took the concentration there.
There's quite a lot of variety.
That's all from me, and this is Yogmaya ki yatra, and you can see having a really great time with elephants. पर आपसे मैं फिर मिलती हूँ अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ एंड ट्रैवल द वर्ल्ड एंड हाई फ्रॉम द एलिफेंट्स एज वेल बोथ ऑफ देम